fish recipe. 6 pieces raw fish. Fry for 3/4 minutes. Fry Mula pieces for 2/3 minutes. Use the same fish fry oil. 1 tsp garlic paste. Half tsp fennel grape seeds. Half grated onions. Salt to taste. Add splash of boiling water. Half tsp turmeric powder. Half tsp coriander powder. Half tsp cumin powder. Half tsp curry powder. 1 tsp chili powder. Add splash of boiling water. Add some coriander leaves. Add fried fish. Add fried Mula. ADD for green chilies. Cover with hot water. Slow flame. Add fresh coriander leaves. More 5 minutes slow flame. Curry is done. Looks so delicious. Ready to serve.